Respected Principal Sir, learned colleagues, and my dear students. Today we are going to celebrate the first ever virtual Teachers' Day. As we know that we celebrate this day as the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the second President of India. Schools are the foremost fountain of knowledge children are exposed to. It gives a chance for them to acquire knowledge on various fields of education such as science, literature, history, mathematics, politics, and other numerous subjects. Indeed, teaching profession is the most challenging profession because we have responsibility to cultivate young brain. But due to COVID-19 pandemic, we face different kind of challenges. The teaching profession has no doubt been at the forefront in adapting to this change. We have seen so many innovative means followed by the teachers of Kendriya Vidyalaya BSF Anupgarh to reach out to the students. Be it the video lectures, video links, online classes, tests, assignment submission, the teaching fraternity is trying best to fulfill its responsibilities. Behind successful conduction of the online classes, guidance of principal sir and hard work of teachers are most important. You indeed cannot clap with one hand. This wouldn't have been possible if the students won't have participated in this exercise. We have to appreciate students of KVBSF Anupgarh for their active participation. Whether it is Fit India Movement, Namami Gange competition, virtual sports day celebration, or organization of CCT activities or many other activities, students participated with zeal and enthusiasm. And of course, behind this zeal and enthusiasm, there are some teachers who are motivating students continuously. Here I would like to thank all the parents who come forward to bring school at home. From providing the basic facilities like phone, internet connection, and to monitoring the progress of the child, you helped us in all the possible ways. I always believe that never let a good crisis go to waste. So together we can find a better version of ourselves in this COVID-19 crisis. This situation has indeed given us an opportunity and the push required to find ways to improve the overall standard of teaching learning and to learn to connect in a better, effective and efficient manner with our students. Children, I want to thanks to all of you for making this day very special for us, even this situation. The beautiful card showing hashtag our teachers, our heroes, with your lovely smiling selfies have made our day. We are overwhelmed with your courtesy, love and respect shown through your greeting cards. This act has refreshed us to come forward with more innovative ideas to reach and teach to you. Here I want to convey my gratitude to my parents and my teachers who motivate me to give my best. You are my heroes. In the last, I want to say that children, you all are important to us. We care about you and we are with you. We will be with you. Keep learning, stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you.